Are you looking for how to achieve a glowing, healthy skin naturally? What if I tell you that the secret could be right in your kitchen? Note that the things you apply on your skin are not only responsible for its glow, but also the things you consume. Both what you eat and drink can contribute to how healthy and glowy your skin appears. So today, we'll be diving into the beauty benefits of this red juice I'm about to show you. From reducing dark spots to boosting your skin's natural glow to increasing collagen, this juice is a new skincare powerhouse for your skin. So sit right with me as we dive deep into its benefits and how it can be made. To make the juice, we'll be needing some carrots. We're all familiar with carrots and we know that carrot is really good for the skin. And then we'll be adding some beetroots to it. If you're familiar with beetroots, you know beetroots are also good for the skin. Then we'll have some apples and we'll have ginger. Then we'll go ahead and wash them. Most of these things, except the apple, are roots. So they are very dirty. For that reason, I'll be using baking soda to wash them. I'm just gonna put them right inside the water and wash them one after the other using baking soda. If you have a kitchen brush, you can proceed to use kitchen brush in washing them. These things has been outside and they need some thorough cleaning. So you can either use baking soda. In the absence of baking soda, you can use salt to wash them, but ensure that you apply a good amount of baking soda or salt so that it can cleanse and also disinfect the fruit. The baking soda does not only disinfect but helps to remove the sand properly from these fruits. You can testify from what the water looks like after washing. See what the water looks like. So after washing the first time, you can proceed to wash a second time. But before doing that, we'll wash the ginger. Ginger is also a root and it comes with a lot of sand. So wash it thoroughly before proceeding to wash the beetroot, which is also roots as the name indicates. After washing the beetroots thoroughly, we then proceed to rinse our fruit, the whole of the fruit, a second time. You can proceed to rinse a second, a third, or a fourth time. There is no rule as to how many times it has to be done. What is important is that you have to wash everything until it's properly clean. And after properly washing our fruits, we can then proceed to peel the fruits one after the other. At this point, I would like to welcome you all to the channel, to my returning subscribers. Thank you very much for staying tuned always. Thank you for keeping the channel on. I love you. And to those seeing me for the very first time, you're welcome to my channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are here to do so. You can also proceed to watch the rest of my video. I bet you will love what I'm doing here. So I'm done peeling the beetroot. It's now to peel the carrots. I'll have to peel the carrots and the beetroot, even the ginger, because like I mentioned before, they are all roots. They come with sand. Even though I've washed them properly, I prefer to peel them because we have some roots hanging all over them. So I just prefer to peel everything off before slicing. Now, after peeling everything, we then proceed to slice them. The only thing we are not peeling here is the red apple, of course. So it's time to slice the fruit and we're going to start with carrots. Carrots, often praised for its health benefits, are also a powerhouse when it comes to skincare. Packed with beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A, carrots can work wonders for the skin. The first benefit that stands out is their ability to promote a healthy, glowing complexion. The beta-carotene in carrots also helps to fight free radicals that causes premature aging. So if you want to stay youthful and glowing, this juice is a must consume. So here's our sliced carrots. We can then proceed to slice the beetroot. Incorporating beetroot into this juice can lead to a clearer, healthier, and more youthful looking skin. Whether consumed in smoothies or used as masks, beetroot has proven to be a versatile and natural ingredient in the quest for glowing skin. Beetroot is known to help lighten dark spots, reduce wrinkle and fine line, and even out skin tone. It also helps to fade hyperpigmentation and dark spots, leaving your skin looking more uniform and luminous. So we also have ginger, which helps to reduce skin inflammation, fight acne-causing bacteria, and promote a radiant, even complexion by boosting circulation and providing antioxidants. And our all-powerful red apples, rich in vitamin C, they help to brighten the complexion and even out skin tone while promoting collagen production for a firmer, more youthful appearance. The natural acids in red apples gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead cells and revealing a smoother, more radiant surface. Additionally, their high water content hydrates the skin, keeping it soft and supple. Red apples also contain polyphenols that helps protect against free radical damage, reducing signs of aging and leaving the skin looking refreshed and glowing. Just take a look at these sliced fruits. Aren't they looking beautiful already? That's how beautiful they will make your skin look. So at this point, we'll go ahead and blend it. If you have a juicer, you just pour them into your juicer and juice. But for those of us that don't have juicer, I don't have a juicer. So I use blender for my juices. So if you don't have a juicer, you can as well use a blender. After blending it, we then go ahead and sieve it. I'll be using a sieve. You can decide to use a sieve just like mine. This is what I'll be using. So if you have a sieve like this, either this or the metal one, you can use it to sieve your juice, or you can even use a chiffon material. For those of us that make pap at home, you can use the chiffon material, the same chiffon material you use for sieving your pap. So now I'm separating the juice from the chaff. I'm not gonna throw this chaff away. I'm gonna use them as marks, my fixed marks. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to use this same chaff to treat my face. So it's time to enjoy our juice. You can either serve it chilled or just after making it. I'm not adding any sweetener to it because the juice is already sweet. Thank you very much for watching to this point. Let me know if you'll be trying your juice at home. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you are here to do so. Bye.